They're just making the declaration that AI is valuable. Well, how is it valuable? What are you using it for? We never hear those details behind it. So we're able to treat the AI narrative as a PR wrapper, which is what it is, and the operating reality is core. Simplify teams, protect margins, and right size for sustainable growth. That's why you're doing it. And by the way, companies have the right to lay people off. I'm not pushing back on Block or any of the other companies out there, Amazon, people who made these strategic layoffs. What I am pushing back on is the lying behind it. Because you take us for idiots? I mean, I know what AI is. I know what AI can do. I know what you can achieve with AI and how you can actually remove people by replacing them with AI. And it's definitely not what you're doing largely to basically drive these layoffs. And so using it as a convenient scapegoat, I think, is disingenuous. It's not showing respect to your employees. It's not showing respect to your investors, and it's not showing respect, in my opinion, to your customers. And I think customers should start pushing back on some of this stuff. And in other words, if they're doing these disingenuous things, call them on it and see what they have to say. Go see the details behind it. I don't work at Block, so I don't know what they're doing with AI or not doing with AI. I can only make assumptions based on how I understand the technology. So if they do have something where they are replacing that many people with AI automation, show it to us. Love to see it. Now, they're not going to do that. They could probably consider it to be an intellectual property, proprietary to them, things like that.